Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplying negative numbers. The rules that guide us when we multiply negative numbers together are similar to the rules we used for adding and subtracting negative numbers. They are summarized below. A positive number multiplied by a positive number gives us a positive number. A negative number multiplied by a negative number gives us a positive number. Positive multiplied by negative equals negative, and negative multiplied by positive equals negative. We can summarize this briefly by saying that when we multiply two like signs together, we have a plus answer. Two like signs a plus, two like signs give us a plus. And you multiply two unlike signs together and you get a minus answer, as in the last two. Let's have a look at some examples. Simplify each of the following by using the given rules to the left. Number 1. Positive 3 multiplied by positive 5 gives us positive 15. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 4 gives us positive 8. So that's the same as the first two. Positive 4 multiplied by negative 3 gives us negative 12. And negative 6 multiplied by positive 7 gives us negative 42. And those two match those two there. So slightly more involved now, but we employ exactly the same rules. Negative 3 multiplied by positive 2 multiplied by negative 4. If we do those two first, a negative times a positive gives us a negative, so that's negative 6. Negative 6 multiplied by negative 4 gives us positive 24. For here, we do those two first. Positive 3 multiplied by negative 4 gives us negative 12. Negative 12 multiplied by negative 5 gives us positive 60. You don't have to put the plus sign. If we do those two first, negative 5 multiplied by negative 3 gives us positive 15. Positive 15 multiplied by negative 4 is negative 60. Negative 4 all cubed, that's the way you can do it if you want to expand it. If you do those two first, you get positive 16 multiplied by negative 4, and that gives us negative 64. Next example, this is to do with order of operations. So we have to do this part first. So 3 4s are 12. 20 take away 12 gives us 8. And finishing up, there's negative 16, and here we have minus 3 times 4. So we put down the negative 16, put down the minus signs. 3 4s are 12. Negative 16 and minus 12, or minus 16 minus 12, is minus 28. So this video has given us a number of examples where we've practiced multiplying negative numbers together, and there are very basic, straightforward rules to help us do all these examples.